you all, we got another awesome watch face. Now, if you notice a theme going on here, the watch faces are being geared toward fitness and also casual wear, and Prado Design got down on this one. The name of it is called New Runner. I'm telling you, this one is nice and it's going to be worth the download in the Gear Manager store. Now, the AOD mode is going to pretty much look the same for the Gear S3. You're going to get the same look, the same design, same info. But when the watch face is on, let's take a look at this, because I like what Prado has done, right? In the center, you're going to get stack time. Your date down at the bottom, you're going to get a nice moon phase. You're going to get this logo at the top, and what I like about that, it does not take away from the watch face at all. Your battery information over here, your step goal completed, get a nice moon phase, floors climbed, and also your heart rate. So everything is right up front, very legible, and of course you get the big bold digital time as well. Now the watch face is interactive, so if I need to go into my step information, so far as status is concerned, I can pull that up. And also, if I want to go over here, I can get my step information, calories burned, and also coffee intake, sleep, also check my stress levels and things of that nature. And I thought that was pretty awesome for a watch face. Again, everything for fitness is right up front for you. And yes, you can customize the time. Not only the time, but separate time, like the hour. If I double tap on the hour, I could change the color to whatever I want to customize to, and also for the minutes as well, which I thought was pretty cool. Now he didn't stop there, right? You can also go over here where you got your status for your battery, and you go complete it, and you can double tap, and you can also change that as well without hitting on the battery power, right? You can change it. Same thing for your step goal completed. You got to tap in a certain area not to be able to hit the step goal, and also the same thing down here. So I'm liking what he brought to the table. I thought it was definitely a great casual fitness watch face to wear, especially over the weekend or for the everyday work week. But the question is, at the end of the day, people, you know what I'm going to say. It's all about you. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. And with that, hit the like button on the way out if you enjoyed the video, and if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Enjoy your weekend, have fun with family and friends, but most of all, be safe. And I'll see you all again at the next one. Take care.